Alright, so in this video I'm going to be replacing the lens on my GoPro Hero8. You can see this lens is really pitted and scarred up a lot. I've actually hit it with some sparks and welding spatter, and it did not do good things to the lens. And so anyway, I'm going to try and replace that. And what I got for that is a replacement lens from a place called Camera Butter. You can buy it online. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. And it comes with this nice little replacement lens and a tool for getting the old lens out, and then some wipes for cleaning things off. So this is the replacement lens. And this tool here is just like a little pry tool to help pry the lens out. So the other thing you'll need to do this is a heat gun. I've heard you can also do this with a hairdryer, but I have this heat gun which I got from Harbor Freight for pretty cheap, so that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so the lens of the camera is actually down inside there. This part on the outside is what we're going to replace. It's actually a protective piece on the front there, but anyway, that's what we're going to replace. So the first thing we have to do, from what I understand from looking up online, is this lens is just glued in here, and that's where the heat gun comes into play. So we need to heat that up, which will soften the glue, and then you use this tool to get right in along the edge and pry the lens out. And then after that, probably want to use a pair of tweezers or something to get any extra glue out, and then put the new lens in. Alright, so let's see how it goes. I think I probably need to heat it up a little bit more. There we go. It is starting to come out now. So the only caveat here is I don't know if it will still be waterproof after this. So I would take precaution if you plan on having it in water. You can see the little bits of glue coming out. All right, now I'm going to try and get any extra glue out because there's still little bits in there. And be very careful not to scratch that up because that is the actual lens. Alright, I think I got most of the glue out, so now I'm going to try and put the new lens in. You can see one side of the lens has got this protective thing on it, and the little black part on the bottom there, that's the glue, so that's the part you want to put in there going down. So we'll peel this off, and hopefully we'll just go right in there. And this is the whole reason I'm wearing gloves, because I don't want to get any fingerprints on the back side of this thing, because then they would be permanently in there, and that would not be good. And I'm just going to apply pressure all along the edges for just a few minutes here, and hopefully that will seat that glue. And then we should have a nice, good, clean lens. Like I said, I don't know that I would take this underwater again after this. That's up to you. I probably won't with this one. Or, I mean, little splashes of water probably wouldn't hurt it. I don't know if you'd want to submerge it because I don't know how good the glue is on the replacement lens. or how well it sticks once it's been pulled out like that. But anyway, there we go. Now we got a nice new clean lens on there, and that is a whole lot easier and cheaper than buying a new camera. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I bought these screen protectors for GoPro, so I'm going to throw one of those on there so that hopefully I won't have that same problem. That one's for the back glass. Let's see, there should be some in here for the front glass. There we go. Yep, there we go. Alright, now, I didn't use the wipes that came with that. I'm assuming maybe that's for the underside or something. I don't know. I didn't use them because I just peeled it off and then I put it on. But if you're, I guess if you get fingerprints on it or something, you want to use those. But I'm going to use one of them right now just to clean the lens off before I put the screen protector on. And hopefully this will help it from getting pitted up like that anymore. That is supposed to be wet, and it is not at all. Try another one. Alright, so I'm going to use one of these little wet wipes that came with the screen protector just to clean it off. I guess that's what that is for too. Yep, to dry it. So we'll see. I mean, this is clean because I just put it on here, but I want to make sure it's absolutely clean before I put that screen protector on there. Use this to dry it. Alright, same thing. One side has got film on it. So peel that off. Line it up as best you can. Alright, there we go. Now I got a nice new lens on there and a screen protector on top, which will hopefully protect it from any flying sparks or anything that will chip it up. And if it doesn't, then I can just pull that off instead of having to change the lens. But anyway, that's it. It's as easy as that to change out the lens on the GoPro 8. Once again, I got that lens from a place called Camera Butter. See if I can find the link. They have, specifically, this is a Hero8 lens replacement kit. I believe they have other ones for other models of GoPro. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.